you love seeing blue all around, don't you? You absolutely love it. So peaceful and so tranquil here at Fleetwood. Hello there everyone, and welcome to the second part of travelling on the Blackpool Transport buses. And in the last vlog we travelled on the newer Enviro 200 MMC. Well, today we are going to ride on its bigger brother, the Enviro 400 City. Now this particular one, number 447, is going to do Route 14, which will take us from here at Fleetwood Ferryport all the way back into the centre of Blackpool. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. I'm going to see if we can jump on now, because it is still cold as I'm filming this. And when I say still cold, I mean still cold. It's freezing. So yeah, let's go and let's jump on this Enviro 400 City. Do you fancy a race? If you do, we can see who's first back into Blackpool. I don't know who'd win that one, to be fair. Nor do I care to find out. Not at this precise moment, anyway. Right, the engine has just started up, and I think we're ready to go. I have the top deck, front seat, window as well. This is going to be a lovely ride on. We're off. Such a good sound. Oh, it is so good. Now, as with the E200 MMCs, as you hear the fan air conditioning start to kick in. You didn't hear that with the E200 MMCs, but you do with the E400 Cities as standard. You can see here that we have the USB chargers from the back of the seats. We also have the mobile phone. Oh, we don't have mobile phone holders on these. Oh yes we do, there we are. There's the mobile phone holder right there as well. Now some seats don't have the chargers on them, as you can see right there. And if you're on the front seats, you don't have chargers at all. Or do you? Are they under the seat? No, they're not under the seat, which is a shame. So, yeah. But they also don't have next stop destinations, which is a shocker. I actually thought these did have next stop. Unless the next stop just isn't working for some reason. Heading off into the Lancashire sunset. Yeah, I think next stop is not working. I'll get that double checked though when we next stop. I've had a change of heart. I've come to sit at the very back of the Enviro 400 City. Next stop is working. It's just not being verbal. Don't know if you can see it back there. I'll try and show it you later. But I did not know that these came with tables. This is awesome. See, this is why I like the Enviro 400 City. We also have a skylight above me as well. So if I want to do some plane spots at the same time, this is cracking. Oh, I love this. I really love this. I mean, I've been on Enviro 400 Cities before, but I don't think I've ever been on one as good, I think, as this one. And I mean, it is properly good. Oh, it's lovely. There's confirmation right there, folks. Next stop screens are installed in this bus, which is good. really awesome. I'm just going to move over into the next seat. Aww, a bird has done its business. Oh, that's something I also didn't notice on some seats as well. Look at this, the stop button is built into the back of the seat. Okay, somebody right now is going to tell me why you shouldn't like the Enviro 400 City. Please tell me how you're not going to love this bus. Someone will give me a good idea. Right, let's do the Wi-Fi test. Where's my Wi-Fi button? There it is. See if the Wi-Fi does work on this thing. Uh-oh. There it is. But sometimes you have to do it manually. It's a bit bouncy, this one. Blackpool Transport. Yeah, there's a beautiful, look at that beautiful thing right there. Please connect to the Wi-Fi. Have I connected to it yet? I don't know if I've connected to the Wi-Fi. I think I have. Upon further review, I had not connected to the Wi-Fi. I knew I hadn't connected to the Wi-Fi, I was testing you. There we go, now we're connected to the Wi-Fi. And I'm on bus times. Yay! Right, so don't know where we are now, but we're part of the way through, and travel look, see whereabouts still says File Coast. I think we're on the way to Leighton right about now. But these Enviro 400 cities that we're sitting on, they are part of a batch of, now it was originally part of a batch of 59. The fleet came in stages with 401 to 410 being 16 plate cities, 411 through to 435 being 17 plate, 436 to 455 being 67 plate, and then you have somewhere, and then you had 455 to 459, which are 20 plates and are the newer of the fleet. Now the 16 plates have disappeared, and I'm going to stop here, aren't I?
You had just fish fingers in a wrap? Just fish fingers? Yeah. With chips? Yeah. And beans? Yeah. Peas? No. Cucumber? No. Carrots? No. No, you should have no veg today. What veg did you have? Peas? You said you didn't have any peas. When I was 2, I buckled my shoe the day I went to sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, when I was a little boy, my father
3 2
said to me,
3s.
I'll take you to the football show, what football big. Man City, Man United, Everton, Liverpool. I turned around to him and I said, shut up you fool, because I'm a one. Oh yeah, because she come out with Hello Kitty baby projector pictures, and that's female. She come out with a bloody baby top. haven't been in a while, have we? No, but why then when we always went, you always made us get cash out? Because I was in the cash, I did half in cash. I don't know how to pay that.
What do you do? Like you do half and half?
But I didn't know that until...
Me and Caitlin did it.
Yeah. We never used to do cards. That's what I mean. So I didn't know that until I was
we used to
there.
do 30 cash, 30 and half.
I'm looking at the back of the window.
Or 20 cash, 40 card. But we did it like 20 cash, 20
Time to get off.
You should have had an apple eye. You had like an hour before we left.
We had that too, mate. Got the other one at one.
Now we should have done. Go girl, stop and steady, sweetheart.
Oh, don't take off.
Stop and steady. Good girl.
Upon further review, that wasn't working. Oh, sorry. Oh. Sorry, cheers, thank you. Oh. Deary me. Oh, in fact, you know what? Right there. Right there. Oh, there's a shot. There's a shot. An electricity pylon with an E200 MMC. You can't get any better than that. Well, you could, but you dare not. And there we have it there, folks. The Enviro 400 City for Blackpool Transport. Now, it was a bit of a delayed journey. We were late arriving into Blackpool by about 10 minutes. But I put that down to the traffic coming into Blackpool. Plus, as well, we were held up a level crossing twice to allow trains to come through. Which it's fine. It's absolutely fine. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here now. And I'm going to get a tram back somewhere. I don't know where I'm going yet, but I know where I'm going to go. So, oh, that reminds me. To finish off my thought before I got interrupted on the bus. Now I did say the batch as it stood was 401 to 459. However, 401 and 402 have left the fleet. They've gone to Warrington-owned buses, I believe. And 403 to 410 have gone to Vision Bus. Mainly for schoolwork. But that right there is besides the point. Anyway, thank you all. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you know it does so. Thank you to the members as well. Your continued support on the channel. It does mean the absolute world to me. It's $3.99 for membership. You get the first nice you get shouts out at the end of every video. And what more could we say? As 68. Thank you all, hope you enjoyed. Woo! Transpora Evora! That rolled off the tongue there, that rhymed very, very nicely. What's this coming down here? What have we got coming down here? Oh, it's only a proper Scania. Anyway, I'll see you all next time. Actually, no, that's 10026. 10026, that one. I'll see you next time.